Okay, so MPU 6050 has 8 pin, so we will use only 2 pin I2C connection. So BCC and ground connection is for power connection, so you connect to the 5 volt and ground connection, so 2 wire, and another 2 wire I2C connection is SCL and SDA connection to directly to Arduino board. SCL and SDA connection. Okay, so this one has same pin, so this one is connected. So after connection is done, we connect it to the USB connection to the computer with Arduino board and run the Arduino program and flash this program to the Arduino board. I have already flashed it, so this one is I2C communication. So the communication bus speed is 9600 buses, and it will print 7 output. So it will print accelerometer x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, temperature. That means it has also built-in temperature sensor in it, and it has gyroscope x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, total 7. So yeah, I already flashed it, so we will check the serial monitor. Yeah, it's responding, but okay, it's moving too fast. Okay, so you close this one, so we will run different program. So this will graphically show us the signal. So I already write this program, so I just run it. Okay, so you see there is no input, everything is parallel, right? So this is 3 axis for accelerometer. So I'll show you. I'll move my hand. Okay, so this is Arduino board on the pack connected with computer, and this is MCU MPU 6050. Okay, so I move my hand now. You can see that it's giving data, right? So I am shaking different way, so it giving different axis. So I stop now, see no value. So up and down, so we have few data. Now left and right, you can see the data variation. Okay, this is live. Okay, so live signal. So we will store this signal to the database now. So I close this application. Okay, so I have another so this one is for connection, so this one will connect to our database. I already developed MySQL database, so this is MySQL database. Okay, this is coming, just need to refresh. Come on. Okay, so this is the database, and I only recorded on this table. So I have already recorded, so it has 334 rows. Okay, so I will record now. So in order to do that, this is my SQL database. Okay, so we will go to our program. So this program will connect to the database with our application. So this is our application. Now I will run it. Okay, so this has one table modem, that means Arduino. So it will connect with comms port 3 connection. Okay, so it has also setting server connection, say database connection. You see the localhost in my computer now, no password. So this is the database. Okay, so this here we get the response, and this is my information just for a test. Okay, so we'll now open this port comms 3. Now, okay, the server is online now, comsport 3 now connected. So we go to the record data. So when I click the device response, only then it will record data, otherwise it will not. Okay, so it will record data about, say, for 15 seconds. So I set it around, okay, so I set it around 19 second. Here you can see that. Okay, so it will take 19-second data, and then it will stop again. When we click again, it will record again. So we do not need to record data every single time. So when we need to hand movements, then we click the response and it will record. So I put my camera on, so you see my hand. Okay, so device response, I click. Now you see the data is coming. I'm moving my hand. Okay, if I still my hand, it's also record, but data is still. Okay, so I move the hand, so it's recording now. So the first one is, okay, okay, the first one is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, then temperature, then again gyroscope, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay, so if we, okay, this one is saved, right? So we need to check. Okay, I need to refresh. So this is phpMyAdmin. I am using MySQL data in phpMyAdmin. Now see, now 397. Okay, I will run again for another device response. So it will record again for 19 seconds. Okay, so I moving my hand, it's recording. So I still, my hand is still recording. Okay, so it's, you see the variation of data. Okay, so it's record again. Okay, I go to the database, refresh it again. So now it has 459 rows. You can check the last value. Okay, so we have now, okay, so I need to explain. So we have x-axis, y-axis, z-axis for accelerometer, and gyroscope for x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So this data can be used for analyzing using MATLAB. So I'll run MATLAB, minimize this one. Okay, this one don't need. I close this program. Okay, MATLAB. Okay, so database is connected to 3306 port, my SQL database. Okay, so I minimize this one. MATLAB is still not running. Okay, just I push the video. When MATLAB run, I will. Okay, so MATLAB open now. Okay, so we go to the apps. Okay, I already generated, oh, automated generated. Okay, uh, okay. So we go to the database explorer. Oh, come on. Okay, click on new query. We'll select MySQL root. Now connect. It will connect. So our database is done. We click OK. So you can see now data. Yeah. So you can input data, generate MATLAB script. So I already generated one. We just click the run. Now you can see the data on the workspace. It's loaded. So from now we can use this data for more analysis in the MATLAB.